Stop.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Welcome to the DS18 unboxing videos and a little bit of one-on-one. I'm Mr. DS18 and today's topic is gonna be the Pro GTW grills. We got 3 models available in 2 colors. We have one of each on the table so you can check them out. We got the 8-inch, 6-inch, another 8-inch, and a 10-inch. You can get these in red or in black. So, behind me we have Michael. What's Michael gonna do? Michael's gonna test out the grill for us. We're gonna light it up so you guys can see the built-in RGB, and then we're gonna play so you can see how well the tweeter performs. This is a Pro tweeter, neodymium magnet. It has titanium voice coil. It can go up to 250 watts, 500 max power. It has a frequency response from 1.5K to 20K. It's a very loud tweeter and a grill. So, as you can see, we had this grill here mounted on one of our mids that has a bullet inside. Easily, you can put the grill over it and it won't bother the bullet. We also have here the 6-inch with a dust cap. Also, you can mount it up and it won't give you any problems. So now, Michael, come on, Michael, let's light it up and see how it looks. So now we have the green LED. You can also have blue LED, red, or you can combine some other colors like purple or yellow. Or if we add them all together, we got white. Let me flip over the grill. You see how shallow it is because it's a titanium and a neomagnet tweeter. A perfect fit. Now, Michael, put some music on for us. Now that's intense. These Pro grills are crazy loud, super clean, and it's all because of that super tweeter it has in the middle. For more information on the GTW grills, visit DS18.com. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.